stop. I saw this at the store and thought you'd like it. Thanks, Mom. Is everything okay? My mom got me a Game Boy, but I don't have any games. My mom got me a Game Boy, but I don't have any games for it. Oh my God! What? No, it doesn't. Oh my God! It's Tetris. This is gonna keep me busy.
Oh my gosh! She's bald! She's bald and she's torturing people!
¡Ey! ¡Apaga la luz!
I want ice cream. This is a Starbucks, kid. We don't have ice cream. But I want it. I don't care. Give me ice cream, loser! Where are your parents? Yo, right here. What's cooking? Oh, what in the... Oh, okay, no, I get it. I'll do better as a father. I want ice cream. I want a pump you full of caffeine. I will stunt your growth habits. Oh! Can't you just give him some ice cream? I can give him one less parent. How much you charge? No, we can't do ice cream. This is a Starbucks. How are you still asking me? Are you doing drugs? Is your mom's name Drugs, son? No? Then no. What? Got him. Wait. Pick something off the menu. If he can't get ice cream, what can he get? He's getting... quad shot espresso. What's that? I'm scared. He's just a boy. You're getting decaf. Oh no, that sounds awful. You have no idea.
Oh, I'm missing something. Slap your mama.
Get out of my house!
I wet myself.
Meow, meow.
Whoa, sweet, tangy, this is amazing!
Told ya! High five, chef.